What's the meaning of a chorus line? A chorus line. 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 A Chorus Line is a 1975 American musical about a group of Broadway dancers auditioning for a new show. The musical is a semi-autobiographical work by James Kirkwood, Jr. and Nicholas Dante, who based it on their own experiences as dancers. The musical is structured as a series of monologues in which the dancers reveal their hopes, dreams, and fears about their lives and careers. A Chorus Line won the Pulitzer Prize for Drama and 9 Tony Awards, including Best Musical. It has been revived several times on Broadway and in London, and it has been translated into many languages. Briefly, A Chorus Line is a semi-autobiographical musical about a group of Broadway dancers auditioning for a new show. The musical won the Pulitzer Prize and 9 Tony Awards. It is a powerful and moving exploration of the lives and dreams of aspiring dancers.